Check out this 2012 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Carfax has certified this Sierra 2500 HD as having one owner. This Sierra 2500 HD has just under 9,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Sierra 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Cocoa Light Cashmere, perforated nuanced leather appointed front seat trim, Onyx Black, Summit White, Denali Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, sunroof, power, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible, CD/DVD player and navigation, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.